Shopping for family gear that keeps up with active, growing children isn't always simple. Finding the best stroller wagon for big kids means balancing comfort, durability, and enough room for little travelers who've outgrown standard strollers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ELEMARA Canopy Stroller Wagon. The ELEMARA Canopy Stroller Wagon is built for parents who need a two-seat solution that can handle busy days without slowing down. Designed to comfortably carry two children side by side, it blends the practicality of a stroller with the rugged capability of an all-terrain wagon, making it a solid pick for park visits, neighborhood walks, or a crowded outdoor event. The removable canopy is a thoughtful touch, giving little ones shade when the sun gets intense while letting parents pop it off when it's not needed, which keeps the wagon lighter and easier to store between outings. One standout feature is the adjustable push-pull handle, meaning caregivers of different heights can find a comfortable grip without straining their back or shoulders during longer walks. The large storage bag adds genuine everyday value, offering enough room for snacks, diapers, extra clothing, or toys, so parents aren't stuck carrying a separate bag on top of managing two kids. Built with all-terrain wheels, this wagon rolls over uneven sidewalks, grassy fields, and gravel paths with reasonable ease, even if it doesn't glide quite as effortlessly as wagons with larger wheels. The classic black finish also hides everyday dirt better than lighter fabric options. Assembly and folding stay refreshingly straightforward, which matters for families loading it into a car trunk on a regular basis. Number 2. WonderFold Terrain Wheel Stroller Wagon. The W2 takes a more heavy-duty approach, built around a steel frame that immediately signals long-term durability rather than a lightweight, disposable feel. This two-seater wagon folds down for storage or transport, which is a genuine convenience for parents juggling car trunks, garages, or apartment closets where space is limited. The canopy offers shade for sun protection, while the adjustable push handle lets caregivers customize their grip height, easing strain during longer walking sessions around the neighborhood or at outdoor events. All-terrain wheels are a defining strength here, giving the wagon confident handling across grass, dirt trails, and uneven pavement without feeling like it's fighting the surface underneath it. For families who spend weekends at farmers markets, campgrounds, or sports fields, that terrain versatility is genuinely useful, rather than just a marketing checkbox. The steel construction does add some heft compared to lighter aluminum-framed alternatives, so lifting it into a vehicle repeatedly may feel more demanding for some caregivers, particularly those managing it solo. That said, the trade-off is a wagon that feels stable and planted, especially when both seats are occupied by active older kids who tend to shift their weight around. The black colorway is practical, staying presentable despite dirt, spills, or muddy shoes climbing in and out. Setup is intuitive enough that most parents won't need to dig through a manual.
Number 3. Delta Convertible Stroller Wagon. The Delta Convertible Stroller Wagon stands out simply because of how adaptable it is, offering 5 different seating configurations that let kids face forward, backward, inward, outward, or allow the seats to be removed entirely for hauling gear instead. That kind of flexibility makes it especially appealing for parents of older kids who want to face outward and see the world around them, complete with footrests for added comfort on longer rides. Storage is another highlight, with zip-off pockets at the front and rear, under-seat space, a snack tray for kids, and 2 cup holders for parents, meaning fewer separate bags are needed for daily outings. The removable canopy provides UV protection, while roll-down mesh and blackout screens add ventilation or privacy depending on weather and nap needs. Maneuverability benefits from 2 adjustable leatherette handlebars, a rust-resistant steel frame, and shock-absorbing puncture-proof wheels, 7 inches up front and 10 in back, which handle bumps with noticeably more confidence than smaller wheels might. A one-step back brake adds real control on slopes or busy sidewalks. It folds flat for easier storage, though at just over 47 pounds, it's not the lightest wagon to lift into a trunk. Rated for kids up to 42 inches tall and 200 pounds total, plus JPMA and Green Guard Gold certification, it's reassuring from a safety standpoint, backed by 5-point harnesses. Number 4. ELEMARA Adjustable Stroller Wagon. Families with more than 2 kids or those who frequently travel with friends' children in tow will likely gravitate toward the ELEMARA 4-seater wagon, which expands on the brand's 2-seat model with considerably more capacity. Despite the larger footprint, it remains foldable, which helps offset concerns about storage space in a garage or car trunk once the day is done. The all-terrain design carries over from ELEMARA's smaller model, giving it the ability to move across parks, sidewalks, and light gravel without much resistance, though parents managing 4 kids' worth of weight should expect slightly more effort when pushing uphill or over rougher patches. Adjustable push-pull handles remain a practical inclusion, letting multiple caregivers share pushing duties comfortably, regardless of height differences. The convertible high seat is a nice touch for younger or smaller riders who need more support, while the built-in organizer helps keep snacks, wipes, and small toys within easy reach instead of buried under blankets or bags. The removable canopy adds shade flexibility, useful for rotating between sunny mornings and shaded afternoon walks. Given its larger size, maneuvering through narrow store aisles or tight sidewalks can feel less nimble than smaller 2-seat wagons, and storage at home requires more floor space even when folded. Still, for larger families or caregivers regularly responsible for multiple children, the practicality of fitting 4 kids into one wagon often outweighs those minor inconveniences.
Number 5. Kinder Premium Stroller Wagon. The Kinder King 4-seater wagon rounds out this list as another strong option for larger families, combining generous seating capacity with a handful of everyday conveniences that make it easy to live with. Like other 4-seat options, it's built to handle outdoor environments, rolling across grass, sidewalks, and mixed terrain without much fuss, making it a natural fit for zoo trips, campgrounds, or weekend markets where kids tend to tire out quickly. The removable canopy offers adjustable shade coverage, which matters for families spending long stretches outdoors during peak sun hours. An adjustable handle accommodates caregivers of different heights, reducing strain during extended pushing sessions, while a detachable tray adds a genuinely practical spot for snacks, drinks, or small toys within each child's reach. Large storage space underneath or around the seating area means parents can pack diaper bags, jackets, and extra supplies without needing a separate carry bag slung over their shoulder. The green colorway offers a refreshing change from the black options that dominate this category, appealing to parents wanting something visually distinct. Being foldable, it can be tucked away in a garage or car trunk, though like most 4-seaters, its overall size means it takes up noticeably more room than 2-seat alternatives. Maneuvering through crowded spaces requires a bit more awareness of surroundings, and lifting it in and out of a vehicle may take some getting used to.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.